Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the TPM Base Services DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To start the walkthrough for TPM Base Services, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the TPM Base Services. This library provides the high-level interface for communicating with the Trusted Platform Module, TPM hardware. It manages the TBSI context, create, and TBSI get TCG log calls essential for BitLocker disk encryption and Windows Hello biometric security. A failure in this module prevents the OS from accessing hardware-backed cryptographic keys, often leading to BitLocker lockout loops. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. TBS is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including TPM Base Services. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of TPM Base Services. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on TPM Base Services. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing TPM Base Services was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.